Shalom, my name is Nkiru Ogamba. I am the overseer of All Nations Living Fountains Church and World Outreach Center. Beloved, welcome to Sound in His Presence. The scripture today is found from 1 Chronicles chapter 16, verse 27. Glory and honor are in his presence. Strength and gladness are in his place. In his presence, there is so much joy. In his presence, that is in the presence of the Most High God, there's glory. Glory, what is it? It is the essence of our God. Glory is his being. Glory is his goodness. Everything good that's in him. Glory is his excellence. Glory is the fullness of the Trinity. His glory has no sickness. His glory has no disease, no ailment, because his glory is the embodiment of his light, and no darkness can stand in his glory. In his presence is glory, where all is sound in the midst of his people. In his presence, oh my. In his presence there is honor. In his presence there's no weakness. In his presence you see evidence of his strength, and you know in his presence there's preservation. In his presence there's gladness, no sorrow, no stress, no anxiety, no worry. Being in his presence is the most desirable thing to do. The psalmist tells us in Psalm 16 verse 11, "Thou wilt show me the path of life. In thy presence is fullness of joy. At thy right hand there are pleasures forevermore." Yes, in the presence of the Lord there is fullness of joy. And the joy of the Lord is our strength. At the Lord's right hand, we are told, is his presence, and there are pleasures always. Oh my. So how does this apply to us? You may ask. Believe that you, as a child of God, you are in his presence all the time. Not sometimes, all the time. He said he is with you always. He said he will never leave you nor forsake you. When you have that knowing that you are in his presence, you are positioned in his presence, you will begin to see manifestations of his glory upon your life. Beloved in the Lord, there is soundness of mind, soundness of health in the presence of the Lord. Beloved, after you stand some more. God bless you, and I'll see you tomorrow.